हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया। पहले एडवेंट ऑफ यूरोपियन कंपनीज तो देखेंगे। पहले वास्को डी गामा आता है। वास्को डी गामा 20 मई 1498 को। फ्रांसिस्को डेल अल्मीडा 1505 पुर्तगीज वाइसरॉय। ब्लू वाटर पॉलिसी अल्मीडा का। अफांसो दी अल्बुकर्की गवर्नर ऑफ पुर्तगीज 1509 से। अल्बुकर्की इन 1511 कैप्चर्ड मलक्का। हर्मुज कैप्चर नीनो द कुना एज्यूम्ड गवर्नर ऑफ 1529 में। वास्को दी गामा कोलंबस का है। पुर्तगीज ट्रैवलर वास्को दी गामा वेयर कोलंबस ट्रैवलर ओरिजिनली फ्रॉम इटली। फिर देखते हैं पहले अराइवल सीक्वेंस है PDEDF पुर्तगीज डच इंग्लिश डैनिश और फ्रेंच। पुर्तगीज 1498 में आया था। लास्ट टू लीव 1461 में गया। क्वेश्चन से शुरू करेंगे। फर्स्ट कर्नाटिक बार 1746 से 48 एक्सिला चापे। वास्को डी गामा अराइव्ड एट कालीकट 1498। Jamorin was the ruler of Calicut during Vasco da Gama's trip to India in 1498। ब्लू वाटर पॉलिसी अल्मीडा का है। वास्को डी गामा 1498 में आया था। फर्स्ट पुर्तगीज वाइसरॉय इन द अल्मीडा वेलकम्ड वास्को डी गामा एट कालीकट। जमोरिन इंडिया डिड नॉट बिलोंग टू पुर्तगीज कंट्री। विजिटर जो पुर्तगीज से नहीं। पीटर मुंडी ब्रिटिशर्स से। वास्को डी गामा पुर्तगाल। वास्को डी गामा पुर्तगाल। क्रिस्टो कोलंबस स्पेन। कैप्टन कुक ग्रेट ब्रिटेन। टास्मान हॉलैंड। अल्फांसो द अल्बुकर्क एक्वायरिंग गोवा इन 1510। नीनो द कुन्हा चेंज ऑफ पुर्तगीज हेडक्वार्टर फ्रॉम कोचिन टू गोवा। पेड्रो अल्वारेज कैब्रल अराइवल इन इंडिया इन सितंबर। फ्रांसिस्को de अल्मीडा ब्लू वाटर पॉलिसी। क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस इटली का है। कार्टियर फ्रांस का है। सन फ्रांसिस्को ड्रेक यूके का है। फर्डिनंद मैगेलन पुर्तगाल का है। फर्स्ट यूरोपियन टू कम टू इंडिया फॉर ट्रेड पुर्तगीज। रियल फाउंडर ऑफ पुर्तगीज अल्बुकर्क। यूरोपियन पावर इनटू इंडिया विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट। पुर्तगीज कैप्चर्ड गोवा इन 1599 नहीं। गोवा फ्रॉम बीजापुर 1510 1499 में नहीं। पुर्तगीज बिल्ड देयर फर्स्ट फोर्ट्रेस कोचिन। फर्स्ट यूरोपियन टू सेट अप सी ट्रेड सेंटर इन इंडिया द पुर्तगीज। In Bengal, the one established the Portuguese was Bandel and Hooghly. With the preference of Pondicherry, consider the following first European power to occupy Pondicherry. Hooghly was used as a base of piracy in the Bay of Bengal by Portuguese. Who used Hooghly as a base for piracy in the Bay of Bengal? Portuguese. Founder of Calcutta, Job Charnock. Calcutta founded Job Charnock. First municipal corporation was set up in Madras. First to start a joint stock company to trade with India, Dutch. Correct statement. Dutch defeated Portuguese and built Fort William in the modern Kochi. Alfonso XII captured the Goa from the Bijapur Sultanate. English East India Company established factory at Madras on a plot of land leased from the representative of Vijayanagar. Secret of success East India Company in India was absence of nationalism in India. The company came received Western training and India soldiers lacked fidelity. Consequently, the one who paid them sufficient could have them on his service. Which of the following British company got the first charter permitting them to trade in India? Levant Company. Emperor of India when the British East India Company was formed in London. Akbar. During the time of which Mughal ruler East India Company established first factory? Jahangir. British official defeated Portuguese at Swali, though Thomas Beast. British set up their first factory in 1613 Surat. First factory of the East India Company was established at Surat. Captain Hawkins, which of the following statement is correct? He was very well versed in Turkish language. The first quarter of 17th century in which of the following was East India Company located? Bharuch. सूरत 1613, आगरा, अहमदाबाद, बड़ौदा एंड बरोज by 1619, मछलीपट्टनम 1611, आरामगांव 1628, हरीमपुर बालासोर 1633. Which of the following European trading company was the first to establish its factory at Surat? English. In the year 1613, where was the English East India Company given permission to set up factory trading post? Surat. The state presidency situated in the early period of East India Company, Surat. Bombay was taken over by the English East India Company from Portuguese. British established over the fort of Prayagraj 1698. Which English governor of East India Company in India was expelled by Aurangzeb? Sir John Child. Immediate cause of First Carnatic War. Capture the French ship by the British. Carnatic War was fought between English or French. First Carnatic War, Treaty of Aix-les-Bains. Third, Treaty of Paris. Second, conclusive war. First, Mysore, British lost. First Battle of Karnataka 46 से 1746 से 48. Second 1749 से 54. Third 1758 से 63. Third Battle of Panipat 1761. Battle of Ambur. This was battle fought in 1752. Initiated by Muzaffar Jung and supported by Joseph Francisco Dupleix and led by Chanda Sahib. First European to initiate the policy of taking part in the acquiral of Indian princes with a view to acquire territories. Dupleix. In India, among the following locations, the French established their earliest factory at Surat. French East India Company was constituted during the reign of Louis XIV. Founder of the French Company in India, Colbert. Factory of Bengal was established by Dutch Chinsura or Hooghly. Bimlipattam 1641, Karaikal 1645, Cochin 1663, Chinsura 1653. French failed to establish factory in Deccan because Dupleix was not capable general. पहले पुर्तगीज फिर इंग्लिश पहले पुर्तगीज फिर डच फिर इंग्लिश फिर फ्रेंच. Pondicherry French, Goa Portuguese, Travancore Danish, Southern Dutch. English got best soda and opium Bihar से. Famous for the production of opium Bihar. Triangular commerce between India and China and England से opium का. Last to came to pre-independence India as a trader French. Dutch established their trading center in Nagapattinam, Chinsura, Masulipatam, Surat, Bharuch, Agra, Cochin, Ahmedabad, Patna. Introduced into India by English. Introduced during the Shershah Suri. Assessment of land revenue, the cultivation of tobacco and red silicon Portuguese or cannon in warfare by Akbar. Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle 1748. First Carnatic War was ended. The English got back Madras. Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle 1748. Ended and Madras was returned to British. The cause of success of British and failure of the French in India, which of the following? Getting huge wealth and manpower from conquest of Bengal by British, naval superiority of the British. East India Company and Nawab of Bengal. Last governor of Bengal appointed by the Mughal Emperor Murshid Quli Khan. Last Subedar of Bengal who was appointed by Mughal Emperor Murshid Quli Khan. Began the consolidation of British supremacy over India. Battle of Plassey. First decisive military success of English East India Company in India is marked by Battle of Plassey. Battle of Plassey was fought in the year 1757. Siraj-ud-Dowlah was defeated by Lord Clive in Battle of Plassey. Founder of British Empire in India, Robert Clive. Heaven-born General Robert Clive. Battlefield of Plassey is situated in West Bengal. Shifted his capital from Murshidabad to Munger, Mir Qasim. Most decisive battle that led to the establishment of supremacy of the British in India was Battle of Buxar. Out of the following, most decisive battle fought between English East India Company was Battle of Buxar. Most significant battle in establishment of British supremacy in India, Buxar. Who was the ruler of Delhi at the time of Battle of Buxar? Shah Alam II. Nawab of Bengal when the Battle of Buxar fought Mir Jafar. Which treaty signed after Battle of Buxar? Treaty of Allahabad 1765. Following ruler had granted Diwani to East India Company? Shah Alam II. Who granted the Diwani of Bengal to East India Company in 1765? Mughal Emperor. In which governor's tenure Diwani right of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa are granted to East India Company by Emperor Shah Alam? Lord Clive. Emperor Shah Alam II gave the Diwani of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa to East India Company 12 August 1765. Who was appointed Deputy Diwan of Murshidabad by Robert Clive after the Allahabad Treaty? Muhammad Raza Khan. With which one of the following mountain tribes did the British first come into contact with after the grant of Diwani in the year 1765? Khasi. Hindu Nawab Wazir of Awadh Sultanate. Which of the following statements are correct? Raja Tikat Rai was Arth Mantri of Nawab Afuddaulah. Usually there were certain Hindu castes who were placed at the high position in the state of Nawab Awadh. Battle of Ambur 1749. Battle of Plassey, Battle of Bandivas, Battle of Buxar. Who was defeated the Battle of Bandivas? Conde Lally. बैटल ऑफ बंदीबस, ब्रिटिश डिफीटेड फ्रेंच। फेमस बैटल ऑफ बंदीबस in 1760 was fought by the British against whom? French. बैटल ऑफ बक्सर। दिखली बाइक के साल को ना। बैटल ऑफ बक्सर, मीर जाफर। बैटल ऑफ बंदीबस, फ्रेंच वर्सेस ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी।